Namaste. In this chapter, we will read about medieval period. This chapter is for class 7. The main topic is sources of informations about medieval period. So, let us go through this video. Overview. In this chapter, we are going to study about introduction of this chapter. After that, we will read about definition of history, sources of informations, and important technological developments of medieval period. Introduction. History is generally divided into three periods: the ancient, the medieval period, and the modern period. In this chapter, we will read about medieval period. The period from 5th to 15th century CE is known as medieval period in Europe, while in India, the period from 8th to 18th century CE marks the beginning and the end of the medieval period. Definition of history. Different historians gave different definitions of history. First of all, number one, the branch of knowledge dealing with past events is known as history. Number second, history is the study of past. In history, we study about the past life of people. It also gives us an idea about the state of art, literature, culture, and civilization. Number three, a continuous, systematic narrative of past events as relating to a particular people, country, period, person, etc. Sources of informations. In this module, we will know that how we know about medieval period. The main sources of informations of the medieval period are: number one, literature and archaeological findings; number second, religious works and commentaries which are based on Puranas, Smritis, etc. Number three, non-religious works like medicine, astronomy, dramas, stories, and other literature. Number four, biographies, autobiographies, and travel accounts written by foreign visitors. These are some important sources of informations about medieval period. This picture tells us about some literary works. This picture tells us about some monuments, buildings. Important technological developments of the medieval period. Number 1. Developments of Persian wheel and spinning wheel. Number 2. Adoption of gunpowder. Number 3. Invention of vertical windmills. Number 4. Invention of mechanical clocks. Number 5. Building techniques. Number 6. Availability of paper and invention of printing device, etc. These all are the great inventions of medieval period. Let us see some pictures of medieval period. Persian wheel. It was used for water irrigation. Spinning wheel. It was used for weaving the clothes. Gunpowder. It was used for making cartridges. Mechanical water clock. Vertical windmills. Printing press. It was used for printing the books and magazines. Some other sources of information about medieval period are excavation of medieval towns, sarais and villages, along with paintings, monuments, sculptures, coins and inscriptions also give us a lot of information about the different aspects of the society and culture.